inTrips app tutorial part 6. How to withdraw. Step 1. Click withdraw. After successfully registering, log in with your account password to access the homepage. Tap on account and then select withdraw to initiate the process. Step 2. Select your preferred USDT receiving address format, either TRC20, TRON, or BEP20, Binance Smart Chain, and input your USDT address. You have the option to choose between your wallet, income account, or both for the withdrawal. Step 3. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Kindly note that withdrawals may incur a service fee. Click on See Rule to view the service fee details. Please be aware that withdrawal processing hours and workdays are outlined below. Step 4. Review your withdrawal details, then click Next. Enter your transaction password and click Confirm to complete the withdrawal. Your USDT address will soon receive the specified amount. Thank you for your attention. Download the inTrips app.